implement the virtual next.com. During the videos test the screen recorder, the virtual in the branch to the virtual to actually start with the virtual improve to the bridge media sit down from the bridge. Initiative Studio. Which value is almost aesthetic temperature. Okay. So I actually need to build it. The landing page. Okay, so landing page stop recording. So shall implement the okay the virtual. So I need to actually implement the implement the implement the other than the show I need to actually um, implement the show that show implement the I mean, like whenever someone will click screen recording, okay, so then like you can say they will be opting to actually create an account, okay. So I mean, like maybe we can use Clark, okay, or whatever you think is better, okay. And then like also the design should be, I mean, like you can say the design should be. Do you know how? Do you know? I mean, like, do you have the idea that how the design of the screen recorder should be? So let me give you that thing. Where is that? Is that okay? So I want to go in. I mean, like in the hybrid approach. Okay. So do you know? Did you already know that, or you know that right now? The bridge. Isolation temperature thing will go from plus 4.5 temperature plus 4.5 temperature to really should I go like the t-shirt the t-shirt should I go with it just get temperature. Let's just fuck that shit. Okay, so make the purpose show this replaces canvas competition. The which is more let me start building composite the which is on the purpose as well. Like of the purpose shop. Data publish again plan to it. So Clark account Clark. Okay, so how the bridge reset in the bridge just for points. So it seems that I mean like whenever as soon as I actually stop the loom recording, okay, so the video is almost ready as soon as possible, okay. So there is no encoding or something because in my earlier project bunny encoding the in the free version like took a lot of time, like for 5 minute video it would take like 5 minutes of encoding. So Given that image is a digital version. Let's see. Go to the background version. So then I guess the same approach can be implemented through bunny stream as well, right? Typically, what the size of this WebM blob? Look at the shot. Get dispatched the book the shot. Don't I need Clark? Okay, so white Clark publishable key. Okay, so let me actually give you the Clark publishable key. Clark, 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 Clark the website. Clark.com. Clark, Clark.com the website. Sign out. Try to sign in there. Select the website. Sign up. Sign up the website. Google. Credit card required. The website credit card required. Ratul Ulka. Website ratul.gmail.com. Clark. India.gmail.com. Email the website. Back. The website sign out. Setting up continue with Google. The website with Google. Gmail.com. Gmail.com. Right. Clark account. Okay, so Clark account. Clark account. I need to actually put all of them in one. Main the website. Clark website information. Ability that is secured by Clark. Your ability that share email is not needed. Google or Google and email is okay. Secured by Clark. This is a preview application secured by Clark. The secret application. Application that share. Doel that share. Doel that share. Email that share. Doel development. Git production instance that develop. Users that configure. Figure that share. PI keys. And local that links the copy. PNB local the publishable key. She will expect the Clark publishable key. Key secret key the Clark. Secret key thinking sourcing the website. Okay, the MB the website. The website file. The website git load the website. Mix.com. The website. Such a Drag calculator which where we just try to pull back coordinates push cache slash cache start recording the image here. Welcome to Google first name. Complete image here. With Cloudflare image here. Entire screen. So the result then we have this one. And like if you check the verification and color the which color paragraph. You go ahead the short how to go ahead the which 3D screen recording.
Embed workflows and forms and everything else, you do have to connect it. So it's doing that right now. Now, the next thing I want to do is I want to using a tool like this one. I'll put it up here on screen. A lot of times these tools change. So if we find a better tool, I will link that up so it redirects.
So we can see that we have the size and
embed workflows and forms and everything else. You do have to connect
into the website, which will be most aesthetic screen recorder.
Hello, today I'm going to show you how to save or export the video in CapCut in 2024. As you can see in the video, if you are not joined as a pro user, then when you click on export, then you see message pop up.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, do any sort of Google My Business scraping, you always want to go by like the city in the state you're trying to scrape in, right? So like I would never do just HVAC like in New Jersey, just because you're going to get a lot less results like on your actual Google My Business page. What I like to do is I like to do HVAC near, for example, Edison, New Jersey, which is a specific part in New Jersey. And then I'll get the results just in Edison, and then I'll go to the next page, and that's where I'll get all of the other results, right? Now, the difference between doing it this way and just doing HVAC in New Jersey is literally the difference between getting like
it. So it's doing that right now. Now the next
Children media technology. Screen recorder that I'm using. Screen recorder that I'm using. This is screen recorder. I'm using the Fluminense top 5 screen recorder technology. So the screen recorder technology 1. Screen customized product design. Go to screen custify. Browser distance best for sync video sync to television chat plan connection chat. Sync video vision can make it instantly. Which videos got best sensitive button the nature. Which is created nature. Okay, so I really need that one thing. So we're going to watch now. We need the view of the shot so you can see the words for the second screenshot display. Desktop. Okay, so for the second screenshot, someone commented Castify screen Castify screen recording screen recording the show. Okay. So what's up there using for the screen recording? It's more professional than room circle in my opinion. Okay. So I mean like and on the first one you can see that the total I mean like recorded the total recorded I mean, like you can say window that is recorded. Okay, not the, I mean, like the part that is showing the person. Okay, not the person's recording, but the window is actually, I mean, like you can say smaller than the, I mean, total screen. Okay, so do you think that I think like that is way better than Loom, right? So um, how can I actually implement this type of thing? Okay, so before, I mean, like screen recording. Okay, so there will be like um, the the record of the person. Okay, so like there will be like rectangle, then there will be like horizontal rectangle, vertical rectangle, then also there will be like you can say circle. Okay, and also at which side of the screen you would like to show your I mean like you can say your video. Okay, and then also I would like you can see some sort of like you can say lighting, okay, on the edge of the person's. I mean, like circle or horizontal, and that lighting should I mean like you can say consistently. I mean, like you can say kind of flow around the edges. I think you're understanding what I'm trying to say, right? But no personal, I mean, like you can say, no personal peep actually. I mean, like you can say, no webcam opens. Um, Ad logging, I mean, like to see what's the problem happening. What should I type on? I mean, like the terminal of my Mac, like npm run dev to actually start the project. I mean, localhost 3000 from my terminal. the screen recorder is not working as, I mean, like as I want. So whenever I'll click on start recording, okay, so then it should actually, I mean, at first, like, let me ask that which, I mean, like which webcam do I want webcam on, okay. So like then there should be like the size of webcam, and like rectangle, square, I mean like horizontal rectangle, vertical rectangle or circle, and which side of the screen I would like to show them, okay. And also, I mean, like you can say there should be a gradient glow. I mean, like there should be an option to actually add gradient glow, okay. Add gradient glow on the edge of the, I mean, like you can say webcam, webcam edges, okay. So and then like you can say it should actually, I mean, like whenever someone actually would like stop recording, it should, I mean, like you can say move to the, I mean, like you can say just like similar to loom, that it's the recording becomes ready, okay. And also I would like to actually, I mean, like you can say add auto, I mean, like you can say add automated like AI features, okay. So um, so add automated AI features, like you can say automatically, I mean, adding the, I think like that will come at a later stage. So at first I need this, like, so as soon as they'll click on stop recording, the recording will be processed and finished. So if I need to actually create bunny, if you need bunny API keys, I can actually give you, and any API keys, any third party API keys, I can give you this. Like I need the complete functional, complete functional thing, okay. So build it, and also add detailed logging and on the very every step, okay, so that I can see through terminal, okay. So I'm going to actually start it using npm run dev from the folder where the dual is. So is, so I mean, like you can say, so start, so implement everything, okay. You have all the permission. Oh, there's nothing wrong to hear you knocking at my door. If I could see your face once more, I can die happy.